channel. Today I have recreated this look right here. I have posted it on my social media on Facebook. I asked you guys if you wanted to see it and some of you said yes, so I just went ahead and did it because I love how colorful it is. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and join the Glam Squad. And now let's get ready to slay. Hey, let's start with our face. I'm gonna go in with Olay 100% serum. I love this so much. Now I'm gonna go with Mario Badescu's facial spray. Whew, that smells so good. Now to moisturize our face, we're gonna go in with Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. For primer, I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Master Prime primer. I love this. It blurs out, smooths, and it doesn't say brighten, but I believe it brightens up your face. Now for foundation, I'm gonna be going in with NARS. Oh my god, look at mine. Mine's separated. Like, this is all foundation. This is what, like oil? But it does say shake well at the back. Using my Sonia Kashuk brush. Sorry, my camera decided to turn off on me. Do you see how light this foundation is? But look at the coverage on this. Now to cover up my under eyes, we're gonna go in with Tape Shape from Tarte. Using the back of the sponge. Now to set the concealer, I'm going to go in with Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Just grab a little bit behind the sponge and set that. And I'm also going to be setting the rest of my face with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Starting on the eyes now, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette, the 35B palette. It looks like this, in case you are wondering. So pretty. So this is a picture that I'm going to be recreating. I asked you guys in Facebook if you would like to see me recreate that look, and some of you said yes, so I just went ahead and I'm going ahead and I'm going to do that because I'm right here. First, I'm going to grab the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to pick up the banana shade with just a brush. I just want to highlight my brow bone first. For my transition color, I'm going to go in with this pretty pink in the palette. And this is going to go all over my crease. Oh, that looks so pretty. Now picking up another fluffy but smaller brush. This is a E40 brush. I'm going to go and grab the purple in the palette. This is more of the... No, I'm actually going to go in with this light purple. Well, it's not light. It's like a purple. And this is going to go on my crease. There we you go, you guys. Now I'm gonna grab this smaller pencil brush and I'm picking up this darker purple. I'm going to be focusing this shadow right on my crease line. So when you open your eyes, that line right there, that's where I am going to focus this. Now I'm going to pick up this dark blue in the palette. It's more like of a navy blue with this brush right here, and I'm going to focus this right on my outer V on my lid. There we go, you guys. Now I'm going to be cutting half of my lid with concealer. I'm just going to take shape, put some in the back of my hand, and pray we don't mess up. Alright, there we go. That is still wet. I'm actually not going to set it. I'm just going to set it with the shadow that I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and set it with this shadow with this E55 Sigma brush. There we go, you guys. Look at that blue. Look at that pigment. Oh. Now with that same brush, but I already cleaned it up, I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this green, and I'm going to apply it like right here. Now moving on to the glitter. I don't have a glitter liner, so I have to make my own glitter. I'm gonna be using NYX blue in this J-Cat glitter. It's just silver glitter, to line it with blue first. Okay, there we go. Adding that glitter was the hardest thing to do. I could have just skipped it, but I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? Another thing that I noticed about my shadow is that I didn't have no fallout. Alright, now moving on to the bottom lash. I'm going to grab some dark purple and I'm going to line this. There we go. Now with that same brush, we're going to grab that hot pink that we used in our crease, and I'm going to be smoking that out. In her inner corner, she has like a shade like this, which I believe maybe she used this palette to create this look. Now to line my waterline, she's using white, and it looks like then she went ahead and added some of this blue shadow to her liner. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this, so I might do it, I might not. I kind of want to blend out the edges right here, so I'm gonna go in with that light purple and just smoke that out. Now for lashes, I'm going to go in with Lily Lashes in the style Miami. But while those get tacky, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm going to be using NYX Gel for brows. There we go, you guys. We are back. My camera cut off, but all I did was add black liner and a little bit more mascara. Now moving on to the rest of the face, we're going to be using Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to contour and snatch our face. Grabbing this LA color brush, I'm going to go in 2 times here, 1, 2, and then 1 time here. And then I'm going to carve out my cheekbone. And after I add a line, I like to buff it up, but upward. Now for the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the middle shade and pretty much just bronze all around. Now to highlight, I'm going to go in with Maybelline Master Pro Highlighter. Oh my god. Now for my lips, I'm going to go in only with this Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer lipstick gloss in the name Unreal. And there we go, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I believe I did good. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.